Hello and welcome to week 4 of CNG 2002. When we jump into these videos, I'll be jumping around from using Screencast and the WebEx account, just to offer some variety. So let's see, this week we start to take a look at cron jobs. Make sure you start working on our first quiz, because that'll be due. And then take a look at, let's see, some assigned Lab 3 and Lab 3 discussions, cron job and log files. With the cron lab, we take a look at actually making a job that runs, reads 2 log files every 5 minutes, reads a 3rd log file every minute, and then also, when we're doing this, just creates a date stamp for these commands. And here's a example of Mr. Hybe's. His cron job ran, and it did a output of system memory, failed login attempts, and then stop daemons. And you could do this really for anything you want. There are so many different outputs for log files that you can do. Definitely take a look at maybe, I don't know, what users were logged in, or how many users were logged in. But you can definitely change this to whatever you really want, and so kind of make it yourself. Make it about yourself. Take the time and say, okay, what information do I find useful? That would be useful for me as a Linux OS admin. Definitely failed login attempts, something to know. Maybe even errors that pop up. So a lot of different things you can put in this one as it goes along. Yeah, David also put in here some just various log files that you can look to. And these aren't the only ones you have to limit yourself to. There are other logs that you can definitely take a look at and make sure that you output day of the week, the month, day of the month, hour, and minute too also, to get full credit for this. Let me know if you have any issues. Reach out in the WebEx. I haven't seen much chatter there in the WebEx channel. Oh, I didn't catch that mute fast enough. But once again, whatever OS you're picking, cron job does help you. A cron job just helps you automate simple tasks of checking log files. Once again, perhaps you just look at which users logged in for the month. Validate that, what accounts they were using, yeah, because you definitely want to know, perhaps even one of the biggest ones is, are your admin accounts logging in at weird hours? You know, that's a security risk. So do take time with that, and if you need any help, definitely reach out, and reach out to the WebEx channel, and I will be there. Have a good week.